I'm going to show you I'm going to explain the concept of a life cycle of butterfly. So you all have come across the book Eric Carle, The Little Caterpillar. The book has actually science concept of change, because it tells the children that the environment is actually in a constant state of change, that living things grow and they change. Well, the life cycle has actually changed from eggs to caterpillar to pupa and then to butterfly. Here I'm going to share a picture of eggs, butterfly eggs, and then this is the picture of caterpillar, and then this is the picture of pupa, and this is the picture of finally they have become a butterfly. And through this activity, by reading the book to the children, and actually sparks their observation and predicting skills. From eggs they can predict to become caterpillar or pupa, and observation that can observe the living things actually change.